Unfortunately, accidents do happen. If you do get into one, you can take a few important steps to ensure your vehicle is restored to its original condition. It's your right. You have rights when it comes to collision repair. What your insurance policy approves, the right to request new Ford collision replacement parts, and to use whoever you want for your repairs. Our advice is to have your vehicle repaired at a Ford dealer or a Ford-recognized independent repair shop. Doing so helps ensure you receive the right parts designed for your vehicle. Be sure to get a written, itemized estimate of all repairs before allowing any work to be done. And if you have any problems with the repair, you also have the right to have the work redone. When you purchased your new Ford vehicle, you bought an original. You can keep an original by ensuring that your insurance company covers using original Ford replacement parts. It's important to use Ford OEM parts because they're engineered to your vehicle to deliver the intended level of function, look, performance, and safety our engineers originally specified. Also, aftermarket, salvage, or reconditioned parts may not be covered by your Ford Motor Company New Vehicle Limited Warranty. Plus, they'll fit and look as they did when they left the factory, and is backed by a Ford warranty. Not necessarily. Some insurance companies offer riders that cover OEM replacement parts. Don't assume your car will automatically be repaired using new OEM parts. Contact your insurer to be sure. Go to collision.ford.com to learn more.